Hello friends, welcome to Junk Journal July. Day 1 is good vibes. For me, that really sets the tone for what I'm going to create. As soon as I saw good vibes, I decided I wanted to work with this particular paper pad. It's got these watercolor inks on it, and it's just really pretty, and it's got a very vibrant color palette. So that's what I'm going to choose to work with. Now, as you guys know, I don't like to leave the plain sides of scrapbook paper plain, which makes it perfect for this collaboration because I'm also going to be using the plain sides and making them look pretty. I want to mention that Junk Journal July and Junk Journal January are both hosted by Meg Journals. And the co-host is Get Messy Art. I'll be sure to link both of their channels in my description box. If you want to join in, you certainly can. And you can also post on Instagram if you'd like to. I'm cutting my pages to size. This is going to be a decent sized journal actually. So this is 12 by 12 paper that I'm working with, and I think I'm going to make it 9 inches tall. So that's still a pretty good sized journal. So be 9 inches tall and 6 inches wide. So that's what I've got going on there. I've decided that actually I'm not going to bind it until I'm done with it. I just feel like I want to have the freedom to put the papers together. I want to have the choices of where I want to put the pages once the journal is complete, as opposed to putting it together now, sewing it together now, and then sort of being stuck with it. So that's what I'm going to do. That's my plan, is to keep it apart until I'm done, or at least until I'm pretty close to the end. All right, so I have a junk journal kit, or a digi kit, that I created, and it's called Retro Vibes. And that's where I got this image from. As soon as I saw good vibes, I knew the paper pad I wanted to use, and I knew that I wanted to use this part of the digital kit because it says on it already on this particular page, good vibes. So I took that page, I cut it in half. Now the other scrapbook kit, or pack, that I want to use is this one. It's got these vibrant summer colors. I just picked this up at Michael's and I got it for $5. So they had some paper packs for $5 and I thought that was a great find. And the colors are nice and bright, very summery, definitely good vibes. So I'm looking through here to see what I want to work with that will sort of go nicely with the page from my kit. I've decided to use this nice bright yellow. I love yellow. It's such a happy color, and I definitely feel like it says good vibes. I'm going to use the yellow paper to cover the white paper, because remember my scrapbook paper only has the print on one side of it. So I've decided to start with a plain side, and I've got the glue on the yellow paper, and now I'm going to go ahead and set that down. When I printed the page out from my digital kit that says good vibes on it, I forgot to select no border on my printer. So I want to let you guys know that if you get a border around your digital kits, you can choose no border on your printer. Most of the times, it will either help the border be much smaller or it'll completely take it away. On mine, it will take it away. I know not everybody's, it will completely make it go away, but it will make it a smaller border, just so you know. But at any rate, I forgot to choose that selection and I ended up with a border. So I am trimming that off right now real quick before I add this page on top of the yellow. Once this is glued down, I need to decide what else I'm going to do to this page. I want to level it up just a little bit more. This right here doesn't look finished to me. So I went back to my digital kit called Retro Vibes, and I printed out one sheet of the ephemera that comes with it. And I think I definitely want to use one of these. And I think I'm going to go ahead and choose the heart, actually. I think I'll take the heart and put that in the upper left-hand corner. When I was putting the paper onto the yellow, I tore that upper right-hand corner a little bit. So I think the heart will be really cute up there. It'll cover the flaw, and plus it'll just balance out the page a little bit. Friends, I'm very excited that I am joining in on this collaboration. If you want to join in too, you certainly can. I am also joining in 2 other collaborations this month. So even though I will have a video out each day or most days for Junk Journal July, I'll also have videos going out for my other collaborations that I'm joining in on. So I just wanted to let you know about that. I hope you will follow along my process of putting this fun journal together. Thanks for watching. See you soon.